Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to customize the articles, such as changing the font, color of the paper and so on the Instapaper application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone and then click on the settings icon or the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Now tap on the last option, Browse. Here you can select from a vast variety of articles if you scroll down, and if you have found one that you would like to read, tap on the relevant one and you will be directed to a page where you can proceed with your reading. And then if you want to customize the articles that you are going to read, tap on this double A icon at the top of the screen, and then you should tap on the show reader view option. Now tap on this double A icon again, and then you will be able to select the font. As you can see, there are many of these, so just tap on the relevant one that you prefer or that suits your preferences. If you are done with it, tap on the button Back. Here you can also select the color of the paper, so the background color of the article's paper, and you can also change the the size of the font. As you can see, make it bigger by tapping on the bigger A, or make it smaller by tapping on the smaller A. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.